How to remove someone from Snapchat group chat. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go on Snapchat account. As you click on your Snapchat, then you have to go on the profile option or the chat option that is located down. Click on that. You can also use the profile option to come here. Then you have to click on the group. Let's say I am clicking on this first group. Now even if I am the admin of this group, then the group doesn't let me to delete or remove any person from here. So the thing I can do is that I can click on that person. As I click on that person, now go on these three lines that are located up above, and then I can block that person from here. As I block that person, then Snapchat will remove that person from Snapchat group. If all the members of the Snapchat group blocks this person, then it will be removed immediately. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.